Up to this point, we have built the foundation. We have the company set up, the customer ready, the products configured, the tax defined, and now it's time for the payoff. In this video, we are creating our first sales order. Think of sales order as the engine of your revenue. It is the official handshake that turns a simple customer conversation into a binding commitment inside your system. And from this single document, you can actually, your delivery, your invoice, and your payment will all follow from this. So let's keep it fast. Go to the search bar and type sales order list. Click add sales order. And this is where the magic begins. This one screen is where your sales processes officially start. First, we select our customer, the date, and you'll notice up there we have a field for customer purchase order. See, here's a professional tip. Your customer probably sent you a purchase order on their side. We capture that reference right here and the customer PO field, and the PO number, attach the PDF if you have it, and you've instantly created a clean paper trail that we used even 6 years from now by the accounting team. We also have the order type. Depending on how you're using the system, if you're in service based, you can select maintenance. If you're in products based, you can select sales, and if you have products like e-commerce attached to it, you can select the show add to cart. Now let's add our cement. Because we did the hard work in the last episode 5, the prices and the units of measure pull through instantly. All you have to do is tell the system how many bags you need or they need. And here is the best part. Look at the tax section. Remember, we attached the tax 16% VAT directly to the cement. The system has already done the math. No errors, just 100% KRA compliant automatically. Now we set the expected delivery date and confirm everything so that the operation team knows when the order needs to be fulfilled. At this point, we have two options: save it, keep it the order as a draft, or submit to make it official. Once submitted, the system reserves the stocks and your fulfillment process can begin. And that's the power of the ERP. You're no longer just selling, you're operating a systemized business. In the next video, we'll take this sales order and convert it into a delivery note so that the goods actually leave the warehouse, and I'll see you in step 7. Adios, muchachos.